Guys, welcome to SR Big Tasty Vlog Mix. There are some strict rules in Kerala for construction of land use, specifically regarding big trees. If a tree or any part of it poses a risk of falling and endangering people, the village panchayat people can issue a notice to the tree owner. The notice may require the owner to secure or cut down the trees as a precautionary measure. We cut down the trees with workers. Here they use chainsaw machine for cutting purpose. See here how it's raining in Kerala. The monsoon arrives by the first week of June and lasts until the end of September. Heavy monsoon rains can sometimes lead to floods. Every time when we visit Kerala, we used to go out, but this time don't want to take risk. Here, my father-in-law and my partner making boats for our princess that she asked to them. She was very excited by seeing the boats. Here, my husband and babies leaving the boats and water together. A tree has fallen due to rain here. After having lunch, I and my sister-in-law prepared jackfruit chips. Take a unripe jackfruit in half and remove the sticky white sap. Apply oil for hands to extract the jackfruit bulbs. Heat coconut oil in a deep frying pan and carefully drop a handful of sliced jackfruit pieces and fry the slices in batches to avoid overcrowding the pan. Stir occasionally to ensure even frying. Fry until the jackfruit slices turn golden, yellow and crispy. Here I am adding salt water to the chips. Stir occasionally to ensure even frying. Fry until the jackfruit slices turn golden, yellow and crispy. Remove the fried jackfruit slices using a slotted spoon. Store the cool chips in an airtight container to keep them fresh and crunchy. For making chips, I prepared my favorite snack, Pazhampuri. Peel the ripe Nendran bananas and slice them into thin. Each banana can be sliced into 3 to 4 strips depending on its thickness. In bowl, combine 1 cup of maida, pinch salt and 1 tablespoon of sugar. Add water and make a smooth batter. The consistency should be thick enough to coat the banana slices without dripping too much. Heat oil in a deep frying pan. Carefully drop the batter coated banana slices into the hot oil. Fry until turn golden brown and crispy. After having tea, we went to my auntie's home, which is next to our home. My baby wants to play with her cousins, so we went there. Here you can see organic snake gourd and a bottle gourd cultivated by my auntie. My girl played well with cousins. It's raining, so my auntie given us umbrella and we left home. Next day morning, all had breakfast and started to my hubby's cousin's wedding. Muhurtam between 9:30 to 11:30 am, which was placed at High-Tech Auditorium, Balakad. So here we met all my hubby's relatives and enjoyed a lot. to home, it will take 1 hour for reaching. But the day was no rain. It's little cloudy and full of fog. Do like, share, subscribe our channel for more updates. Click on bell icon. Thank you for watching.